There's not much left to it. Too much for the seat. All the parts. We got the manual how to do it. All kinds of stuff. The engine's blown, so we gotta rebuild the engine. So that's what we're in the process of doing right now. We got the stake body here. Yank it right out. Take pictures so I can remember where everything goes. Jeremy's been working today. Higgins Energy. Here's what's left of the doors and the fenders. Not much to them now. Good thing I got new ones. Yeah, here comes the mechanic now. Yeah. Sitting down on the job again. Here's the dog, Brandon. Say hi. Speak. Speak. Stupid dog. The trike getting fixed next week. Be riding that soon. New doors right there. The hood, new fenders. Seat. There's the tools. A little grease spot. It's a garage, supposed to be dirty. More parts. Nice new seat. Look at that thing. Much better than an old piece of crap. Spare parts. Not quite sure where they all go. Some of them are junk. Some might be good, but we'll see. Still sitting down on the job. Get to work.
Just tear that engine out.
You're gonna pull this thing at 400 horsepower by the time we're done with it.
Oh.
You heard it already. Good shocks though. Yeah, there, dog.
Beauty, eh?
No much left to it. I'm taking pictures so I remember where to put everything.
Hey, Brandon, come. Okay.
Yeah, wrench.
Yeah. Hit you.
Okay. See if we can do this. Okay, here we are back in the garage. Look at this, we cleaned it and everything. We got it all laid out. No, we haven't got too far yet. We got the exhaust manifolds off though. Yeah, we brought in an expert today.
Sunday night, March 26th, this is going to be an indoor beach party.
The pots.
In the area.
Wonder where that goes.
I don't know if you saw yesterday's
That's the carburetor.
and also they mentioned it in yesterday's.
We were trying to take the bed off, but all the bolts are stripped, so we can't do it.
But you have to listen to
So I don't know what we're gonna do. We drove around for freaking 2 hours this morning looking for a nut splitter, and it ended up being right down the road.
Going to be giving away 100 pair of free invitations in just about a half an hour at the Searstown Mall.
Yeah, Jeremy got that on then. The tools.
Whoa!
There's the nut
I wish I
splitter.
was 21. Yeah, Mr. Mall.
Where?
Go buy a certain CD, chose John Austin, and get tickets to this beach party. Yeah.
Clean this place off. There's the hood. That damn bolt right there. Stupid thing won't go anywhere. Yep. Expert's working hard here.
Yeah.
Jeremy. See? Look at this thing. This is why the door wouldn't work. See that? That's why the door never worked. All spare parts in here, coil, door frame.
What's this?
That's the coil.
For what?
The ignition. Goes on top of the distributor, you know?
Oh.
Put the cap on top, or the whatever goes on top of it. Jeremy's beast, putting the 302 in that thing. And I'm still gonna waste them though. The stake body so we can pull the engine. The parents are gone. Jessie's gem of her car. We just got stuck in the mud. That's what we told her. Woo, look at that gem.
He's all fucked up.
Who, Pat?
No, not Pat. No, not him. We would be talking about him.
Remember, this is all getting recorded.
That fucking bitch. That fucker, he's a dead man. I'm gonna whip his ass.
No, Brian's this day's gonna be running next week. Woo-wee. Let's hope
Well, I'll
so.
take turns for
I'm gonna
this.
sit like this.
Go in and just sit back.
I can't even reach if I sit back. Or my buffalo.
Yeah, should run sometime soon, I hope.
Thinking corners, you'd be like.
Alright, talk to you later. Oh shit, the kappa. Here's the engine. We got the engine out. Not much left to it. Let's see, transmission fluid. Got a little bit on the ground right there, but oh well. His expert mechanic, I told you yesterday he could get it out.
Yeah, no problem.
More pictures. Jeremy with his new spiffy haircut. He didn't do shit. He's been gone all day.
No kidding. I got the donuts.
Yes.
You didn't have to loosen those bolts.
Let's hope I can get this thing back in. Transmission. Transfer case way back there.
Cut that thing off, Chris.
What? What?
Nothing.
Hey, here's another mechanic. She ain't doing much though. Look at this, my new engine, man. This truck's gonna go like a bat out of hell. Cause they'll get wrecked. See cheese?
Cheese.
Look,
Hey, camera.
wait, look,
No.
look. Zoom, close up.
No. How,
Yep, it's still sitting there.
how do you
Not running yet. Today's what? Wait, where's the date button? Date. March 28th.
How do you stay next year?
March 28th. Monday. No, Tuesday. 8 o'clock at night.
Come here.
No, don't touch my engine. It's my engine, you can't have it.
Here.
The manual.
I want to play. Ooh. There's Chris.
Battery acid. That was when you kicked it into the door.
That's his table of parts. Cool. Why does it say it's... Oh, never mind. Any comment, Chris?
Yeah, you got any money?
Nope, I'm just as broke as you.
I'm running out of money real quick. I spent 450 bucks on that stupid engine. Actually, $470 with tax
Bummer.
today, so there's another 450 I was planning on spending.
And what are you doing now?
Scraping off all the carbon buildup.
Why?
Why?
Yeah.
I'm bored.
Oh, okay. Ooh.
Now all you gotta do is get these bad boys fixed and we're off and running.
Ooh.
140 miles an hour, here I come.
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Oh, I did now.